Hi, good day everyone. I'm CHRD from Crystalspiders Institute. So today, guys, we are going to see that how to enable .NET Framework 3.5 feature in the Windows system. Actually, when I'm trying to install SQL Server 2014, I got this error message saying that Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5 Service Pack 1 is required. It is a fail. So it is asking us to enable this Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5 feature in our laptop. So after enable this feature, I can able to install this SQL Server 2014 software. So I'm going to cancel this one now, and I'm going to show you how to enable .NET Framework 3.1 feature, 3.5 feature. So open that control panel in your laptop. Just say control panel. So I see that control panel here. Open that and go to the programs, under programs and the features. And there you can see left side, turn Windows features on or off. Open that, click on that link. And it is coming up, guys. And select that one, first one, .NET Framework 3.5 and say OK. So that's it, guys. It is going to enable that and see that let Windows Update download the files for you. Yeah, go ahead and do that. So it is downloading the required files and then it will set up the .NET Framework 3.5 feature. So it is downloaded, guys, and it is applying the changes now. We can wait for 1 more minute and it will finish. Yeah, now Windows completed the update, guys. So this is done. Now let's close this window and that's it, and minimize the control panel. Let's go back and start the installation of SQL Server, so that installation will start now. This is how we can enable a .NET Framework 3.5 feature in our laptop. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching the video.